I should really thank JK sir and also Venkatraman sir for this great opportunity that we have all had today. The thing is that, as Sunu was saying, we are amidst the rattles around us. I mean, of course, after this, I've learned that yes, it's up to us to whether to take it as a rattle or not to take it as a rattle. Because though what happens is that typically when we come to these sessions, when we think of these fundamental concepts which build me as a person, the sustaining that mode of operations, sustaining that, or the consistency rather, is something that which I have not yet really succeeded in building. I keep reiterating one of the Bhagavad Gita shlokas, which says that where Arjuna asks Krishna that Chanchalam hi manaha Krishna pramati bhalavadridam, where he says that it is by nature that it is keeps swaying. And he says that by abhyasa, by exercise, you can control it. But that exercise, that effort that needs to be put into it on an everyday life, unless we see people who are really practicing it and going that way, it's actually a good fortune that we at Unimity, we see people like JK who practice it day in and day out. So that is an opportunity that we all have. And I'm sure how to make it like the reinforcement of these principles on an everyday basis is something that has to be worked out. And effort has to be there from within me. And yeah, and in terms of how, but there are two questions that I wanted to have here. When it comes to having no expectations, when it is related to a karma or an event or a situation, the expectation is one-sided. So you don't expect the results. So it's dealing with no expectations in terms of the results is, I'm not able to relate it in terms of relationships where expectations are bidirectional. You may not expect something from the other person, but the other person will expect something from you. That being the case, that, as Vinu was saying, that expectation of the other person on you, giving, giving the feedback loop into your decision on what next, and how exactly can we moderate those expectations and manage them. I think that's where more needs to be learned from me. I mean,
Mr. Venkatraman was mentioning one aspect. I had it in which I hadn't expanded, but it was a wonderful thing which I forgot to present in some more detail. And it answers your question. Be more of a giver than a receiver. Give abundantly. Fulfill more than the other person's expectation. Please give abundantly. Don't hold back. I'll finish. Don't hold back. So when you say the other person has expectations, now how do I deal with it? Please give abundantly. Be less of a receiver. You don't expect anything. But it doesn't mean I won't also meet their expectations. Then this is quid pro quo. No, you give abundantly. That is the way to build those relationships. You give abundantly. You don't need to receive anything. If you receive, great. Be thankful for it. Acknowledge that. Appreciate that. You don't receive, you don't need to receive.
You give abundantly. Yes, you give. That's one thing. You think that they are expecting. Oh, but forget. You not only do you think, they are expecting. Let's say, now they are expecting. The person is expecting. Your spouse is expecting. Now, you keep giving. You see, I assure you, your ability to give unasked, your ability to give unconditionally, is bound to strike the other person. It's not as if the other person is a dud. He is going to respond to you in a similar fashion sooner than later. At least accept the situation that this is not what I expected. This is something more than what I would have been expecting in my life. These things keep coming to me. What more do I want? And what more do I have to expect? You see, that kind of a situation you can create. Okay, that is what you call the positive aura. The giving has a lot of positive aura. Now, the giving actually, as he says, is in the larger context of love. Somebody else understands that there is love, there's not going to be much of an asking. If there is an asking, it may be based upon necessities, but certainly not asking for the sake of asking. You see, that's what will happen. But it will grow. It will grow. But we may not start like that, but it will grow. Okay? But much will depend on you. Okay?